While the Artemis 2 mission looped humans around the moon for the first time in decades, maybe casting our gaze heavenward is something that we should continue doing. Dr. Lucy Rogers has written a guide on how to make the most of it. It's called Up, A Scientist's Guide to the Magic Above Us. Lucy, morning.
Good morning.
I think we're good when there's a moon mission or an eclipse or something exciting, but actually we could look up every night and find something worth seeing.
And it's not just in the night time, in the daytime as well, particularly now in the spring, where we've got the butterflies, the migrant summer birds coming back. There's a whole load above our heads that we can take joy in.
So how do we do it? How do we look properly to make sure that we're seeing what's there?
Just taking the time to just have a look up, see what's there. I mean, I've seen a couple of rainbows in the last couple of days, which have brought a great smile to my face.
Yeah, that's something, even as a child, you start to love rainbows and it never really goes away. Is there a particularly good place to be? You know, often if it's stargazing, you want to be out in the open areas. But you know, if you're in an urban area, what do you look for?
In the urban areas, there's still an awful lot. I mean, you can see the planets Venus and Jupiter even from the middle of London. You can see butterflies, you can see birds, you can see bats, you can see a hot air balloon occasionally. There's an awful lot above our heads that, if you take the time to actually have a look, there's beauty out there. The beauty of the sky it's above us, wherever you are.
I think even the trees at the moment, you know, when you look up at the tall trees and they're just coming into bud, even something as small as that.
Indeed.
Is lovely to look at and enjoy. Dr. Lucy Rogers, thank you so much for talking to us. And remind us, this is all in the guide, isn't it? All these different ways to look and enjoy.
Yes, a whole load of different subjects, from butterflies, bats, hot air balloons, to satellites and rockets.
Perfect. All that we need. Thank you very much indeed. Dr. Lucy Rogers, the engineer and inventor, on, you know, how sometimes we look down, but actually looking up, if we don't do it properly, we're missing out on a whole world of joy.